Good afternoon. We have with us Mr. Pradeep Nair, Managing Director India, Cole-Parmer. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Uh, in April, you have completed 20 years of your India operations.
That's right. Yeah.
How do you feel?
It's been a great journey. We have been in the same premises working with all the laboratories out here in India. 20 full years in India and about 70 years across the globe.
So, next 20 years, what's the plan that you do have?
We just got acquired by a big giant company called Brookfield last year, and there's a big plan for acquisitions. We would be expanding big time, a lot of new products coming in. We just launched our fluid handling range for the pharma food industries. It's about a year and we've been growing sizably well. Biopharma is one of our key accounts across. As such, fluid handling going to be a big priority area for us. We are also acquiring company into lab equipments. So at this point in time, we have product that meets the requirement of laboratory equipments from end to end. You get into a lab and we have a product for almost any table in the lab. We have products for the environment, including microplastics and a few things, PFAS, microplastics. We've gone big into diagnostics. Again, a lot of acquisition to come in the diagnostic area. We are into infectious disease, molecular controls, a big niche area. We acquired quite a few companies. In the last 5 years, we have acquired about 14 different companies. There are more to come. Cole-Parmer is going to be a big brand to be across the world now.
So, the acquisitions that you have been doing under Cole-Parmer or Antila Scientific?
Yeah, all the laboratory equipment part is coming under Cole-Parmer, but then the allied industries, diagnostics, fluid handling are different verticals within Antilia.
So, so when we talk about the lab equipments, you want to become number one by acquiring all the companies, or you want to have a diverse portfolio of all the products?
At the moment, we are a diverse portfolio. From a SKU point of view, we have more than 200,000 SKUs, but then now we are consolidating. We are consolidating things that are more value add for the customers. And as we move forward, we're looking to acquire products that are niche in the market.
And who would be your next competitor in lab equipment in India?
Probably companies like Thermo and Aventor. And there are a lot of Indian manufacturers who play. But then we cover a wide spectrum of laboratory equipment, so you have competition in some areas we lead the roost.
So in fluid equipment, what are the different versions, or what are the different categories of lab equipment that you are promoting in India?
Fluid handling in general is we go end to end, right from pumps, tubing, connectors. You ask for it, we have technical support, we could do consultancy support for people who do that. We have a laboratory at the moment in the US, but then gradually India is a big market. We would look at India having operations in India where we have a lab facility.
When do you plan to set up a support center for your customers in India?
Probably late 27, around 27 sometime. Not this year, but then we are looking at tying up with some people who could do those work out for us in India.
And are you also looking at doing some R&D here in the country?
No, because this is very, very niche. At the moment, all the focus is in the US for India or even Asia.
And how big is the market that you are looking at India? And how has been your FY 25-26 operations in the country?
The addressable market from a fluid handling perspective is more than $200 million business. We were there at some time. Then we exited that business. We have got into that. We aim to be there another 5 years, 6 years. So it's a huge market out there. At the moment, we're small as a percentage of $200,000, $200 million. But we aim to be there in the next probably 5 years' time.
So this is India market that you're talking.
India, just pure India market.
And which is inclusive of verticals like chemical, pharma, food?
Yes. Pharma by far is the biggest investor into this business because the products being injectables and product that goes into human body, they spend a lot of money on being accurate, perfect. They need something. Again, food industry in India is growing big time, and with all the norms that the government, the regulation that's coming in, the rejections, and so they are sort of increasing the test that they do before they export the product. So that's where we step in.
Sir, what new products are you coming up with so that you can further expand your market in India?
We have some products under the name of cryoblades, freezer mills, and ball mills. We were in that business, but then we come with newer versions of those products. It goes very well in the food industry for people who do. I think we have it on display here. Uh, any type of fruits, vegetables, pharmaceutical ingredients, a medicine, a drug of choice. You want to do some studies on impurities. So we have products for that. The same products also used in industry like forensics for tissues. So if you want to do certain DNA studies and those sort of studies, chemical studies, the tissues needs to be homogenized. So we have different type of homogenizers these guys use. So homogenizing in general can be forensics, pharma, food, vegetables, and the data that comes out of this can help push your export from India to the rest of the world.
What kind of products are there? What kind of products you have for the biopharma industry?
Biopharma again is mainly the fluid handling that we have come up with, but then we have a wide range of laboratory equipment, the sterile versions of laboratory essentials. We call it essential products in the lab. That's where the biopharma can buy from us because we have certified versions of those products, which makes their life easier. They don't need to certify because we have certified and validated those products.
So what's the next target, sir?
We at least grow 50% at the CAGR year over year. That's what our target is for India.
Any numbers to it?
I would not want to say a number here, but then on an addressable range, it could be more than 200 crores in terms of rupees to start with.